Here we have a VECTRAX 7" by 10.5" horizontal bandsaw. This has a swivel head on it. Has a hydraulic downfeed, 3-speed geared head, gearbox, 1 horsepower, 220 volt. We have it powered up so you can watch it run. We'll just hit the switch here and operates very nicely. It's in second speed right now at 215 feet per minute. These are 125 foot per minute. That's the first gear. And the third gear, which is 270 foot per minute. The hydraulic down feed. Speed it up a little bit there. And as the head comes down, the machine will shut itself off. Appears to be unused. It's in very good condition.